I'm right under the cruiser.
Get on the ground! Get on the ground!
The star of today's video is Mr. Tyler Ray Smith. This incident began when officers observed a group of people hanging out in a public park after hours and began a trespassing investigation. When asked for his name, Mr. Tyler Ray Smith said his name was Taylor Esotek. Then he attempted to flee on foot, and this was a bad decision on his part. Mr. Smith was arrested and charged with resisting arrest, criminal trespassing, falsification, obstructing official business, possession of drug abuse instruments, and drug paraphernalia. Mr. Smith later pled guilty to the criminal trespassing charge, and all others were dismissed. He received an 18-day suspended sentence because he was already being held on a parole violation. Mr. Smith was also found to be in possession of methamphetamine and fentanyl. He was indicted on those charges when the tests came back from the lab. He currently has felony warrants for his arrest from those cases.
What's going on, guys? You got a call about people arguing here in the park.
Oh, that wasn't us.
No?
No, I heard screaming and stuff coming from down that way.
Okay. What do you guys got going on here?
Oh, yeah, I found that while I was junking.
Okay.
No, we haven't been arguing.
You got any other weapons?
No.
No, just that pepper spray?
Yeah, I found it. Fucking digging through the trash earlier today, and I need something to chop up some wood and stuff to cook.
Okay.
None of us are even dating. Like, we're just
Yeah.
friends. We were just chilling here.
Yeah, no,
Okay.
I heard something come from that way.
I mean,
and we was
friends
like,
can argue too.
Oh,
Yeah,
yeah,
but,
we just sitting here.
We're literally
Fucking.
just hanging out. I'm doing my makeup.
Well, park closes at 11.
What time is it now? My phone is dead.
12:30.
12:30.
Yeah. Oh, shit. I
Yeah.
didn't even know. Alright.
You guys got your IDs on you?
No.
No? No IDs?
No, I'm in the process of getting my social and a address.
Okay.
To
You know your
get my ID.
You know your social security number?
Can I get you up on 3 precinct, please, for an 8B? Originally came in as a 48A at 185 East Broadway. Colors now saying there's a male, unknown race, heavy set, a male, black, skinny, maybe dreadlocks, with colors detached garage of the above L with flashlights. Neighbors are not.
You know your social
Do you know
number?
your social is, bud? What's your name?
Drew.
Is that Drew your real name, or is that just what people call you?
No, that's my real name.
T-R-E?
E-W.
Last name?
P-R-I-C-E.
P-R-I-C-E?
My boyfriend's getting arrested.
Price?
Oh, okay. You got your ID on you?
No, I don't. I don't have it. I need to go like ASAP.
Well, if he's getting arrested, I mean, there's not much you could do about it
I
right
don't
now.
get arrested. He's in a fight. Taylor Esotek. 4099's the last. I don't my social.
You said Taylor?
Yeah, T-A-Y-L-E-R. Adam's my middle name.
Adam's your middle name?
Price?
What's your last name?
Esotek. E-S-O-T-E-C.
You don't have your
E-S-O-T-E-C?
C-H. T-C-H.
T-C-H. E-S-O-T-C-H?
Esotek.
Homeless?
Sorry, I'm just stressed out.
What's your date of birth?
September
What's your
13th,
name here?
1994.
You don't know your social?
I know the last four, but I don't know all of it.
What's the last four of it?
That's all I've ever had to use.
Hey guys, park's closed. Closes at 11.
Yeah, sorry, we just looking for
Where you living at? Huh?
Homeless.
Homeless. You have a phone number?
No, it's Wi-Fi.
Wi-Fi.
I mean, I get text messages, but they just randomly come through, you know. Like,
Okay. You said your last name was spelled E-S-O-T-E-C-H?
yeah, it's tech.
I just see your
I'm not from here.
You know what your license
From Jersey.
number is by chance?
Oh, your license is through Jersey?
That's where we're from. My family's from.
Oh, okay.
I don't have a license. I never had a driver's license.
What was your last ID through? What state?
Jersey was the last I
Through
did.
Jersey.
Yeah.
You ever been arrested by us, man?
No.
No? That's pretty good.
Yeah, no. I've only been here a few months.
Oh, okay.
Snickers,
Yeah.
Chargers. I think that bag up. It's all ripped up.
Yeah. Okay.
Can I just go check? So I'll come back. Can I please go check on my boyfriend, please?
Where's he at?
He's down on the short north. He's at the bar. By Scully's. Not one of the bars. I'm not sure which one it is. I don't know. He just.
At Scully's?
Down right by Scully's. Yeah, that's where he was born.
You said there was a fight?
I don't know.
Where he's getting arrested.
His friend texted me and just said that he might be getting arrested. I just want to go check, please. I'll come back here and whatever you guys need me to do. I just want to make sure he's not getting in trouble. Please, please. So I don't. He's all I have.
Put it right here. Put it right here.
I don't know what's going on. You know, I just got the text.
So what's your first name again?
I don't have any runs up there.
Maybe I don't know what's going on. They just texted me and said that. I just want to.
Let me see. Let me see the text.
I just want to. I prefer not to show you my phone.
I just want to see the text.
I don't want to show you my phone. It's personal.
Okay.
It's my.
All right. Hey, let's walk over to this cruiser, okay?
For what? What I do?
Oh, the park closes at 11, man. It's called trespassing. It's an arrestable offense. I'm just having you gather up your stuff, and we're going to walk to our cruiser. So I got to positively ID you. Okay? I mean, I could do this a lot harder. I'm trying to be, you know, kinder, gentler over here.
I'm sorry. It's stressful.
Do you have anything else on? Any knives? Sure.
Is that your Bluetooth speaker?
Yeah. Can I bring my scooter over there? Can I bring my scooter over there?
Is that your scooter?
Yeah.
Yeah. We're going to go to the cruiser over here.
Do what?
I've been sitting here trying to poop for an hour.
Yeah.
Hey, man. For sure. Okay, thank you so much, sir. Appreciate it. That's my bag.
Do what? Walk you to the bathroom? What's going on with
Hey, don't ride off.
I'm
Just walk it.
just
Just walk it.
sidewalk, that's all.
Just walk it.
Yeah, I'm just getting up on the sidewalk.
Can't leave that here?
You got them?
Yeah.
I'm taking it back to the cruiser.
Hard question.
You can cut through the grass.
I'm not taking Officer, I'm riding under the cruiser.
Get on the ground! Get on the ground!
Please, sir. Oh, I have cancer, please. Please.
9041, we got one for
I have cancer. I have cancer. I have cancer. I have cancer. Please. Please, no.
Ow, shit!
Please, I have cancer, please. I have cancer, please. Please, I have cancer. Please. Please.
Get on your belly!
Okay.
You're under arrest!
No.
You understand?
No.
Okay, we think the owner is at home. The owner is at the bar.
Do what?
I got irritable bowel syndrome, and I've been sitting here trying to poop for the past hour.
Yeah.
940. Neil Huddle. Copy.
I'm sorry, I got it. Please, fuck me to the bathroom.
Do what?
Please, walk me to the bathroom.
Walk you to the bathroom?
I don't want to take a minute. I'm gonna poop myself.
What's going on with him?
Don't ride off.
I'm just getting up on the sidewalk. Yeah, I'm just getting up on the sidewalk.
Robert, 7843.
Can't leave that here.
You got them?
Yeah.
That's where we got cars behind the line here.
Let's go.
Copy card there without getting signature.
All right, guys. Let's walk to my car here.
Please, sir, out. I have cancer, please. Please.
9041. We got one.
I have cancer. I have cancer.
Step into more
I have
cars.
cancer. I have cancer.
Taser out.
Please. Please. Please, ow. Please,
Ow, shit.
Please, I have cancer, please. I have cancer,
right?
please. Please, I have cancer. Please. Please.
Get on your belly.
Okay.
You're under arrest.
No.
You understand?
No. Please, I can't breathe.
You can breathe just fine,
I
bud.
can't breathe.
You can breathe just fine.
I can't breathe. I can't breathe. Please, sir. Please. I have cancer. Please.
Give me your hands
Okay.
behind your back.
Okay, please. All right. Let me breathe. Let me breathe. Please.
On your belly.
Please. Easy. Ow. Please. Please, I can't breathe.
You can breathe just fine. Hey, shut up.
Say we have one to take. Slow him down.
Help me, please.
Come on, get off the fucking air.
Please help me out.
You all right?
Yeah, I lost my radio and everything. Say 9041, one detained, slow him down.
9041, 1 to 10, slow him down.
Please help me up on the floor. Please.
Hey, how about you shut up? How about that? Bring your knees to your chest. Knees to your chest.
I lie about who I am.
Yeah, I figured. That's why I had you come back to the cruiser. If you wanted to run,
Just side, bud.
no, take it to the hood, search it. Well, there were two others. I don't know what happened to them. We're just doing 48A. Yeah. Search them.
Got anything else on you? You sure? What's in here?
Some jewelry. Sorry.
Copy.
I got that in my pocket.
You what?
There's meth in my pocket.
There's meth in this pocket?
Yes, sir.
Where'd you guys get from?
Here. I'm sorry, guys.
Where's the meth at?
Yeah, she was that fool.
What else you got on you?
That's awesome.
What's back here?
Your apologies are over. I'm done listening. You understand? That's no excuse. I got drug addicts in my family. They don't act like this. Your actions, your consequences. You gonna tell us who you actually are this time?
Yes, sir. Tyler Ray Smith, 10-12-19.
You know you're so. Been arrested by us.
What was it?
It's Tyler. Tyl Smith.
Yes, sir.
All right, run them through leads, run them through locals, verify he is through mugs, no leads. Your ID through Ohio,
Hey, you got a pill and you got meth in here. There's the rest of the story.
What's in there?
Meth.